Jolony mag thieth e gwenge ma Malindi onyiso luoro margi kaluwore gi medruok mag tuoche ma ok nyal landore ka gipuoyo ni tuoche kaka mago mag malaria lipot magi osedok chien mokalo. Koloso e kinde mar chenro mar chiwo thieth maonge chudo e kanisa mar Jesus Care Center e boma ma Malindi, apisa mar thieth e kauntino Emily Karisa owacho ni medruok mag tuoche kaka mag kansa, tuo sukari to gi tuoche mag muomruok mar remo osebedo ka medore ahinya. Okwayo jodak ma kono mondo rang chal margi mar thieth kendo rang yore mag ngima ma gidago pile ka pile ma thiro tuochego.
Lifestyle ambao siku hizi tuko nayo, tukiangalia wakati wa zamani chakula tulikuwa tunakula, tukiangalia ilikuwa chakula very fresh na toka mashambani. Lakini siku hizi kwa sababu watu wameshtukia, utaona mimi nikishtukia wakati wangu siku hakukuwa na viazi karai vinakaangwa kila mahali. Siku hizi zinakaangwa kila mahali, unaona mtoto mdogo anapewa kama chakula na watu wazima.
In the church we have skilled men and women ambao ni madaktari, manas, masurgeon. So tukasema, maandiko yanasema katika kitabu cha Exodus, unaona Moses anaambiwa I gave you, nimekupatia skilled men. So kwa sababu hiyo tukataka pia tutumie zile gift ambazo Mungu amepatia watu.
We would like to come to a place and see those who have no access or who can't afford the care they need. And we try to make sure we can bridge the gap, bring them out for a medical campaign like this.
It's been a great experience. It's very organized, very busy. The care that we're providing is definitely necessary. Seeing the youngest I've seen today was 10, and then people into their 80s.